So this is i10 automatic. The initial issue was that it was not shifting gears. So we have fixed the issue. We have replaced its valve body completely, and oil has been replaced as well. So let's see if it fixed the issue or not. So it's supposed to shift the gear at 2000 rpm, in between 1850 to 2000 rpm, and so far it has shifted the rpm at the right place. So let's see again. So we'll take a U-turn. That will drop down our gear to the initial gear, which is the first. And let's see, so it should be changing the gear at 2000 rpm. Earlier it was not doing so. So see, on 2000 rpm it has shifted the gear, and we are going high and it shifted again.